it's me, Allegra. I'm heading out right now to a holiday party, so I figured what better opportunity to share some holiday makeup and do a holiday makeup look. So I'm going to be doing that today. I'm going to share some holiday makeup 2021. And if it's your first time here, hi, my name is Alegra Chetti. I hope you'll subscribe and join the fam. We have tons of giveaways, makeup, fashion, fun. So I really hope that you'll subscribe and also give me a thumbs up if you like today's video. It helps me out so much. So without further ado, let's just dive right into this holiday makeup 2021 get ready with me video. So beauties, I have nothing on my face right now because normally I do come through with my brows at least done, but I have this new brow product that I am obsessed with and I am in a hurry, so I have to do this makeup super fast because we have to be at the party in basically a half hour. But thank goodness it's just right down the street from my house. So this is not actually the product that I want to show you guys, but first I'm going to line my brows with my Anastasia, and then I'm going to go in with that Kosas. I should have looked it up because I know a lot of you like prefer for me to pronounce it right? So I got that Kosas product the other day, and it's a brow fiber type of product, and I love that product, so I wanted to show you guys exactly how amazing it is. I've been using it every day. I love it. It's truly an amazing brow product that is like nothing else out there. Okay, now we can use it. Here it is. It's the Air Brow. This stuff is amazing. It just makes you look like you have the thickest, fluffiest brows you've ever. Oh, I shouldn't have did that. You know what I did? I put like the first application on the front part of my brow, and you can see it kind of deposited too much, but you know, I'll take it off. But just if you're in a hurry, that could be an issue. I'm gonna fix these up in a minute. I'm gonna let them dry. I'm gonna fill in a little bit more because, as you guys know, I do draw on this whole, this is a whole illusion. But anyway, let's keep it moving because like I said, I am in a hurry. But let me see. I want to show you beauties this because I love this so much. I did this the other day when I was playing with my makeup and it looks so gorgeous. So it's the Refi, and this is a highlighter. There's absolutely no writing on the package. Okay, but this is, I don't know actually if this is a highlighter. I don't know what you call it, but it's I'm sure it's called a highlighter. I'll have it linked below. I have to look it up. But it's a shimmer product, and I just put it on like so, and the shimmer peeks through under the foundation, and it's beautiful when you apply the foundation on top. So what I'm going to do is put it under my foundation. I might put it on top, but I might not. Let's see how it looks, but just leave it like so, and then go in with your foundation, and it makes the most gorgeous effect. So I'm going to do what I did the other day because I really liked how my makeup came out the other day. So I put this on, and then I put on my Rare Beauty foundation, which I just love this foundation because it's so lightweight, and you go right over that highlighter product. So let me go ahead and press this into my skin. I'll use this brush today. I always just use whatever I have. Whatever's clean. So I'm actually looking for my NARS concealer, but I can't find it, so I'll use this Rare Beauty, which is a beautiful concealer. I'm just going to pop on a little bit of this. This is the Fenty Cream Blush, and this is the shade Bikini Martini. You guys, this is sold out. I'm really lucky I got it. It's always sold out. So I'm just going to pop a little bit of this on. And then we'll just set that with a little bit of Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And I gotta tell you guys, I am gonna also use my Kosas Cloud Set. Also, I'm gonna use that as well. It's a setting powder. It's so beautiful, and I've been wearing it every day. I love it so much. I truly cannot believe how much I love it. You're left with no creasing. It's just stunning. Sets you. I actually probably didn't even need to use the Laura Mercier. I just did out of habit, but you could just go in with this. I've been going in with just this on its own, and it's stunning, and it sets perfectly because a lot of setting powders do not work for me because I do have fine lines under my eyes, and they will definitely go right into those fine lines, and it is not a good look. So anyway, dolls, I'm gonna let that sit a minute, and then I'll go back in to my face. Yes, my face. So I'm just gonna take here a little bit of, this is the Colourpop Rudolph palette. It's for the holidays, just came out, Makeup 2021, and it's so beautiful. There's so many festive colors but I'm just going to use for today these more neutral shades. So this palette is amazing because you can do colorful looks, neutral looks, you can do so many looks. So it's a great palette. So I'm just going to take this deep shade, I'm going to do like a neutral look today. So I'm just taking an angled brush and I'm just going to apply that like an eyeliner. And then I'm going to blend it out with the lighter shade right here. So I'm just gently taking that inwards. I'm just going to, like I said, I'm just doing a really quick and cute look. And I'm just going to take it into this eyeliner and blend it. Just going right over that eyeliner and just zigzagging it kind of. Just to get a nice blend. I'm going to take some more of that color and just take it into my crease just to conceal my hooding. And just going to bring back that liner a bit. And I'm just going to take a little bit of black liner and just line my waterline. I'll just put a little bit of this kind of gold shade because it is the holidays. We need a little bit of festivity. So that is beautiful. So then I'm going to take a little bit of the Patrick Ta Major Glow. This is so beautiful. So I'm going to put this on my face and then I'm going to put the powder blush on top, and it looks so beautiful. So I just put it on the sponge and then the back of my hand and then put it on to my face. And then just a little bit of blush. This is the Revlon blush. This is an amazing dupe for Dior Rosy Glow. So beauties, now I'm going to pop on a quick lash. And then I have this new lip kit from Colourpop. This is from their Rudolph collection, and this is the lip kit There's Always Tomorrow. So beauties, this is the finished look for my holiday makeup 2021. I would love to have a pop-up giveaway today. So today I will be giving away a 5-piece makeup mystery box. So all you have to do is be a subscriber to take part in today's giveaway and comment down below how the holidays are going for you. What are you looking forward to this holiday season? Is it just going to be a chill and relaxing holiday season for you, or are you going to be going to all the parties, all the festivities, even though you could have the festivities at home with you and yourself and, you know, whoever. That's how I am. So anyway, beauties, I love you so much. I hope you're all doing good, and don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you liked today's video, and don't forget to comment down below so you can take part in today's giveaway. So anyway, dolls, I'll let you go. I love you so much, and I'll see you very soon.